So let's look at how we're going to take care of the water storage in our rural house in the village in Kenya. So we have bought a few big tanks that we are going to install here. And here we are having them delivered at home with a big truck. They are 4 10-liter tanks that will be put on a stand. And you can see them, there are 4 of them, and they are very good and very high quality plastic tanks. And we have them delivered to the site from this company that sells them. So that is very, very, very convenient for us. And so we are going to build a stand that we are going to put them high up, because we need to have the water to have enough pressure, which is very important for our showers, and most important for our washing machines in the laundry house, which we are going to show you later on. So you can see here that these very big and heavy and very durable tanks have just arrived, and we are going to install them on our stand, and then we continue to put pipes and all the tubes that are supposed to be put. So we need to put them up the stand, and this is how these gentlemen are pulling it up the stand. They put 2 ropes around the big tank. The 3 gentlemen from the ground push it up, while there are more gentlemen on top of the tank stand that will pull it up with the strings. So you can see how they are doing it. This tank is about probably 100 kilos. So if it fell back on this person on the ground, it would be quite harmful to him, and therefore they have to be very, very careful. And so they roll it up and up and up and up until they reach the top. They did this several times before the tank came up. It kept on falling, and they pulled it back up, and it kept on falling until at last they were able to put it up. So as you can see here, it's almost at the edge, and that was very, very difficult to make it turn up the edge. And so the rope got cut. It went back down, but they brought it up. So here we have our tank on top of our tank house, as we call it, with the tubes installed, and everything is ready now to fill it up. And we usually use we usually put something at the entrance of the tank to sieve the water, and we put another one at the outlet, because we want the water to be so clean that it's not going to stain our toilets. So here you can see our little tank house. We have 2 10-liter tanks on top. In the middle, we have a little space that we decided to put some windows, some walls, and therefore it became a room. There's a room that we can use for anything, to go there and do some work, or you can sleep there if you want. But we just felt that space didn't need so much to make it into a room, and therefore we decided to install these windows around, and it's a very beautiful little room in the middle of tanks. So we're going to have the 4 tanks on top there, And on the floor, we're going to have the 2 tanks on top and the other 2 tanks on the floor. And the water will be filling these tanks so that when the lower tanks are full, it goes up the upper one until it's full, and this will now be going to the house. That pressure is very good for showering and for running the laundry. Here you can see the gate valve that we can close when we want to repair something, or if you want to clean the tanks, or if you want to check on anything. So you can see that we have that. And this is how it looks. So the lower side will have 2 more tanks. We have the top ones and the lower ones. So in total we have 40,000 liters of water available to us all the time. And we're going to put a little roof on top of the tanks so that they're not destroyed by sunshine and too much rain. So you can see there are people on top there, and they're putting a roof. They're going to roof for the tank.